one of the biggest names in the off-road universe, and the serious contender for the crown. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a Toyota Land Cruiser BJ70. The scale is 118, the manufacturer is called Scale Models, and the part number is CML067-2. The model comes in a basic green box with front and top windows, which is not too dissimilar from other brands. Anyway, let's dig in. I bought this one in January 2023, and it was my first time trying out this brand. Cult Scale Models are based in the Netherlands, and they make high-quality resin models. Most of the Cult Scale items I've seen so far are just under $200, so they're not exactly cheap. The Land Cruiser is an iconic vehicle, and I don't just mean in Japan. The first was produced in 1951, and the latest one is still manufactured to date. There are many series and variations of the Land Cruiser, but that will be a whole other video. The popularity of this off-roader was massive. From miners in Australia, all the way to tour guides in the African safari, it quickly gained a reputation for being indestructible. Here's a few real-life BJ70s, which I found in the Land Cruiser Heritage Museum. I'll link their website under this video. The model's color is certainly attractive, and it has plenty of accurate details, like the front grille emblem, though it has a sticker for license plate. The headlights are 100% Land Cruiser, no doubt. There's a Land Cruiser badge on either side of the model. The tires are quite large and look cool, and to my surprise they are steerable, which isn't the case in half of my resin models. They're not the smoothest, but they're still decent. The wheels are reminiscent of the mid-80s era, and they're a big part of the model's look and appeal. The spare wheel holder or carrier is static as expected. I almost cut this part right here because I don't know why I was pushing my luck and potentially breaking the exhaust pipe. The model, for me, has passed the general test. The interior is all in gray, and it's okay for me. There are two side-facing bench seats in the back, and I know they're not too visible here, so I think I'll just go ahead and blame the lack of openings on the model. This is called blame shifting. The side step of the BJ70 doubles as a shield for its lower panels, protecting them from rocks and road debris. I think the color brings this model to life and gives it character, though I think its character is already pretty solid. Someone once said about the hardtop, short wheelbase BJ70 that it could go everywhere and do everything. I think that's probably the best quote I could find on this vehicle. I feel a bit acquainted with this brand, and I might look into another item at some point, for the right price of course. A good model in a lively color and decent details, however it might cost you a pretty penny. And that's that.